Start by making a slip knot, yarn over your fingers, insert the hook, pull up the back loop and pull through. Pull it tight. Now we are going to chain 2. 1, 2. Insert your hook into the first chain, but going through the 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, which will be the foundation chain. Now yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, which will be our first single crochet. Now insert your hook into the 2 loops of the previous chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. When we are pulling through the first loop, that is the foundation chain, and for the next stitch we have to go through that foundation chain. Again, yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is the third single crochet. As you do more stitches, you will be able to see the chain and identify which chain you would go through. But we always have to go through the 2 loops for our foundation chain. I'll show you again. Insert the hook into the previous chain, going under 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now you can see the chains. We will go through the previous chain, going under the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. And it's easy. If you do some loose stitches, then it'll be easier to go through the 2 loops of the foundation chain. You can also use a stitch marker. It will get easier as you practice it. And I promise it, once you get hold of it, you'll never go back through the foundation chains. This saves a lot of time and energy. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions.